My name is Carol Rankin and I am doing the CLL degree, undergraduate of social studies. I started back in 2018, so I'm a part-time student. But I remember as a youngster being told that when I was coming up to choosing whether I go to college or further education or get a job, I remember being told that I would need to just look at working in a factory. So I think that's where it knocked my confidence if I've been told that, well, you're not good enough to go to college. So then I started to go to evening classes, as I did, and I'm sort of on and off throughout the years. And then I went to college at Solihull, and they were doing a Saturday course for English here at the University of Warwick. And I was really interested and I asked about it, made inquiry, and I got chosen to go. So I was really, really pleased. So that's really how it stemmed from, really, that gave me the knowledge that I can go to university and age has no barrier. One of the modules was you had to do one of the foundation to start off with. And that was quite daunting, really, when you sort of go into a group of a lecture and you see all these students of different ages, some younger than you, some slightly the same age as you, some of them more mature, and knowing the background that each people have come from. And that sort of steadied me, really, because I was really nervous. I sort of doubted myself in a way, because I thought, should I be here? But then you make friends, you sort of have meetings, you gather and you sort of say, you make friends along the way and let's meet up and have a coffee. And then they tell you a little bit about themselves. I'm also dyslexic. So with my learning differences and difficulty, I didn't realise the amount of support that you get, especially from the Wellbeing Centre. And the support that was given to me and the process, yes, it did take a bit of a time, but was absolutely, I was amazed by it. And that sort of laid the foundation for me to feel, okay, this is where I start, now I'm on this journey. It's made me feel that, do you know what? Anything is possible. But I've never been told that. So I've always gone with the idea that I wasn't good enough. Doing the CLL degree, undergraduate, has taught me to pay attention more about your surrounding, the people that you're engaging with, listen to people more. And I find as a student, you listen to people, they listen to you, they give you their point of view. You're able to discuss and engage and also learn to articulate. You don't always have to agree with everything. There's always different points of view. And that's one of the things I learned and is learning through uni, that everybody has different opinion, different point of view, see the world very totally different. And that's what makes it so interesting. And that's what I love about uni, really. It helps you to engage more with people.